Welcome to my newest listing. I'm Dave Gove, your Lake Tahoe and Truckee realtor, and today we're at 10560 Martis Drive in Truckee, California. This single-owner home was completed in 2018 and has been meticulously maintained ever since. Everything is in perfect working order and move-in ready. Enjoy the efficiency of radiant heat, on-demand hot water, and good solar exposure. Both bathrooms feature heated tile floors. The primary bathroom has a dual vanity with vessel sinks and a generous walk-in shower. The large two-car garage has plenty of storage for all the obligatory Truckee toys. The front and rear yards are landscaped with lush green lawn in the back and wildflowers in the front, along with a large strawberry patch. The primary bedroom has a sliding door to the back patio, which is pre-wired for a hot tub. And all of this is located right in the center of Truckee, California, just minutes away from shopping downtown, dining, the regional park, and more. For more information, call 530-575-8737.